So Agile Manufacturing is the idea that you can continuously update and improve your process as you get feedback from the line.
Manufacturing floor are not designed for 25-year lifetime anymore. They are designed for 5 to 7 years and they change just as fast as the end product being manufactured.
Today's technologies, sensor networks, new compact sensors are making it possible to make the manufacturing floor highly adaptive and dynamic.
Agile manufacturing is important because you don't want to end up like Blockbuster. You want to be able to innovate to what the customer wants and be able to give them what they want when it's the right time.
It emphasizes rapid iteration, rapid changes, both in the design decisions, the manufacturing process, and even in the team and structure of the team and the location of people.
So really enabling them to be agents of change, to work quickly.
The whole concept of faster, better, cheaper can only take place if you are able to turn your operations around very quickly and be adaptable.
Agile is actually not about optimization. It's about being able to resynchronize your system to match the changing market space.
Instead of just aiming out years in the future and deciding this is the way we're going to do things, instead we're going to throw out a quick version of it and then update that as we get real-time data from our production line.